Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is the news. Now you can use Google's latest AI video generator Veo3 inside Canva. Yes, you heard me right. Now we can use inside Canva this Google's AI video generator and create AI videos. In today's video, we will see how we can use Veo3 inside Canva and create videos. First, we'll see different videos that created by Veo3 from different creators, and let's see what I created using this Veo3. So let's get started. Now let's play this video uploaded by Canva's co-founder, and let's see the quality and the output we will going to see here.
Veo3 video generation is now available in Canva.
Pretty cool, right? Let's check out one more video. This video is uploaded by Ronnie, and let's see how he created the video using Veo3 model.
Before me, if you wanted a book, you had to copy it by hand, one letter at a time. Slew! Then I pulled up with this bad boy. Mass printing, baby! Books went viral before it was cool. Hit that like button if you've ever learned something from a book.
How amazing it is, right? It's completely look like the realistic video. And let's see the first video that I tried using Google's Veo3 model inside Canva. I'll show it to you. So here you can see this is my first trial, and I'll play one video for you and let's see how it created.
Wow, I'm generated with Veo3 and Canva.
Pretty amazing, right? So let's start and learn step by step how we can create this type of videos inside Canva. Let me show you how to access Veo3 video feature. Here are two ways to access Canva AI from the homepage. First, click on the magic button near the top, Canva AI, or just head to the left sidebar and look for Canva AI. Click on that and it will bring you to the AI Tools hub. Once you are in, you will see options like right here, create a video. Click on that. Now you are inside the video generator, and below here you will find your recent AI chats and some video examples that you recently created. Here what you will see: style, aspect ratio, duration, framing, lighting. You can even speak your prompts using voice commands. This is only available for Canva Pro, Teams or Enterprise users. So I tested this with few prompts. Let's play the first video I created. Listen closely. Did you hear ambient sounds like glass tapping the table as the cat drinks wine? It's got that perfect ASMR vibe, right? Now here's the second video. This time I added voice.
Wow, I'm generated with Veo3 and Canva.
You notice the keyboard typing sound, the lip sync on the cat, and even auto-generated captions. Once you are happy with the video, just go to the top right corner and click Use Canva Editor. This will open your generated video in the regular Canva video editor. So now you can add text or captions, insert B-roll footage, trim or split clips, add transition, basically full control. Now let's say you are generated multiple clips using Google Veo3. Here's how to bring them into your project. You can add blank page in your Canva video project. Go to uploads. All your generated videos are saved here automatically. Click on the video you want and set it as a background or drag it into place. Repeat for your other clip. From here you can cut, render and effect whatever your storytelling needs. When you are done, simply hit download and choose HD video quality to get clean professional video ready to share everywhere. If you are freelancer, creator or small business owner and you want to learn Canva from basic to advanced, so here is the good news for you. I am launching 2-week live training session every weekend. So check out this detail and see what you are going to learn inside this training session. Then click the link below and register for the training, and I'll see you inside.